Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I gave us a task to do, and then some of us were solving things I didn't even understand, things that is not even in my head, things I cannot even think of. Ordinary these mathematics I'm using to play with us. And then one thing I just want us to know is that math is very simple, and then depending, like me, I find it more easier for me than reading. You understand? It's more simpler for me than reading. So I wonder why people say they do not like mathematics and they like. So I guess it's individual differences. And then another major thing you need to understand about mathematics is it's just like when you go to work, when you are going to work, when you are going to farm, you have to carry the necessary things you need, right? For your working space, for your farm and the likes. You have to carry it along. E.g., when you are going to farm, you have to carry your hoe, your cutlass, your axe, your baskets and the likes as your tools, right? And then without them, you won't be able to farm. You cannot use hoe for for cutting of tall grasses or for cutting of tree. It's not possible. You can only use cutlass. So that means those tools they are only necessary for different tasks. And then there are some places that in fact you cannot supplement hoe for cutlass. You cannot use cutlass for hoe and the likes. You cannot use a hoe as bow. So the same thing as mathematics. So let's go with me. Let's solve some mathematics this morning. And then this is the question we're going to be solving. And then inside this question, there are tools there. Inside the question, there are tools there. There are mathematical tools. So the tools are minus and then subtraction and multiplication. Minus, addition, that is subtraction, subtraction, and then addition, multiplication, multiplication. So these are the three tools that are there. So since there are three tools, these two tools they can only work hand in hand. Minus and multiplication and addition. There is subtraction and addition and division and multiplication. They can only work hand in hand. Assuming it's just these two tools that is there. So you saw from left to right. Assuming it's just this division and multiplication that is there, you saw from left to right is the same thing. But since you have these tools and then one of the multiplication or multiplication or division is mixed here, so it cannot work. So here we are going to apply what we call board mass. This one is bracket. You solve the bracket first. That means this is the rules you use in applying this thing. That is the order you use in solving it. You solve the bracket first, you solve the off, you solve the division first, is the division there, you solve the multiplication first, you solve the addition, you solve the subtraction. So now there is multiplication. Is there bracket? No. Is there half? No. Is there division? No. There is multiplication. This is the multiplication. So you solve the multiplication. That is any the signs that is along you carry multiplication, solving multiplication first. That is minus 10 times 10, which is equals to what? Minus 100. Minus 10 times 10 is equals to minus 100. Where you solved it, you put it back there. Not as if you arrange it again. No, where you solved it, you put it back there. So I have what? 10 is here. So minus 100 plus 10, right? Yes, minus 100 plus 10. So the next step, what are you going to do? Since we have only addition, subtraction, and multiplication, you can solve from left to right. And then solving from left to right, we have what? This plus 10 minus 10 will give me minus 90 plus 10, which is equal to what? Minus 80. Then solving from if you are solving, if you want to still continue with your board mass, so the next step is what? Your addition. Which one is addition? Let's come back here. Minus 10, no, 10 minus 100 plus 100. So Bodmer says the next one is addition. Addition. So I have 10 minus 100 plus 10 will give me what? Will give me a minus 90, right? Then the next one is what? Subtraction. Subtraction. So minus 10 minus 90 will give me what? 10 minus 90 will give me, this one is smaller than this, so it's not possible. So it's to give me minus 80. So therefore, your answer is what? Therefore, 10 minus 10 times 10 plus 10. The answer will give me what? Minus 80. Quite easily done. That is it. So come back. Same venue, same time. See you. Bye. Love you.